Hi Bhumika, welcome to E Times TV.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations, you are now seen in Pratigya. और हम सबको पता है कि
Thank you.
Pratigya season 2 is loved by viewers. So tell us about your role and how has been the shooting experience so far.
I'll start off with the role. Um, Meera का जो role है, it is not just a new entry. You know, I would not call it a new entry, and it was offered to me. And the reason it is actually a parallel lead which has come into the show right now.
Hmm.
This is going to change the whole story, and it's going to bring a big twist, and probably the fans are not going to be ready for it. But I cannot really reveal exactly what are we planning on and what have we done or what are we doing. But Meera is not at all a negative character or a great shade. She is a very positive girl. She is a positive character. बहुत बबली है, चुलबुली है, गांव की बहुत सिंपल लड़की है, बट समवन हु इज वेरी मुंहफट, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट लड़की है, जो मन में आता है बोलती है. एंड अगर किसी को खुश करना है तो वो झूठ बोल के भी, अगर किसी को खुशी मिल रही है तो वो झूठ भी बोल देगी. शी इज वन ऑफ देम.
हाँ.
So she's a contrast to Pratigya's character completely. So I think it is a very cute kind of a role, I would say, and a very lively, full of energy wala role, I think, and people would love the character absolutely. क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी बात है कि ये negative character नहीं है.
Right. And how has been the shooting experience so far?
Well, we're out of Maharashtra and shooting with a lot of restrictions and with a lot of measures taken in consideration. So very good experience, but the only thing is कि हाँ सब कुछ provided है यहाँ पे, in very good facilities, everything. But yes, घर की याद आती है. You would want to go home after the 12 hours of shoot. You would love to go home to your bed and sleep and be comfortable. But it's okay. I mean, the times are such. It's a very hard time, so we're shooting away from home.
Yeah.
But at least we are able to work, so I'm thankful for that. So it is a good experience. मतलब different है थोड़ा.
Yeah. बट जैसे आपने कहा you're missing home और घर से दूर शूट कर रहे हो. So I just want to ask कि जिस तरीके से pandemic has once again hit us और ये second wave जो आया है जिसके वजह से मुंबई में इतने सारे cases है, कितना डर का माहौल होता है especially between the actors, amongst the actors, because you guys are also working day and night to provide entertainment to the viewers. लेकिन साथ ही साथ ये डर तो रहता होगा कि यू आर मीटिंग न्यू पीपल एवरी डे, और प्लस आप फैमिली के बारे में भी टेंस रहते होगे क्योंकि माहौल ऐसा है कि यू डोंट कौन इन्फेक्ट हो जाए कब. सो कितना प्रेशर होता है शूट करते वक्त?
Pressure definitely is there because there's always this fear of getting infected. But also I would say कि हमारी health हमारे अपने हाथों में होती है, and it is a must that you keep yourself safe and hygienic, and also when you do that you're keeping the people around you safe and hygienic too. So I think everyone's safety is in their hands. And यहाँ पर हम लोग का जैसे शॉर्टकट होता है, we have the mask that we have to wear, we sanitize, our temperatures get checked every day, it gets registered every day, and it happens twice a day that we check the temperature. And everyone has to have a COVID report which is valid for 72 hours and then gets refreshed and everything. So yes, every measure has been taken care of ताकि किसी को कोई problem ना हो, everyone is healthy and the work doesn't stop. एंड लिमिटेड लोग हैं और बहुत ही बायो बबल में हम लोग शूट कर रहे हैं, तो आई थिंक सारे मेजर्स को दिमाग में रखते हुए, बट एक चिंता होती है बिकॉज वी आवर फैमिलीज आर बैक होम, वी आर जस्ट बीइंग एबल टू टॉक टू ईच अदर ऑन फोन्स, बट यस वी आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल इनफ एंड बात होती रहती है, देखते हैं. अभी इट जस्ट इज अबाउट हैविंग फेथ एंड आई थिंक soon I just hope everything becomes all right. And pressure to मैं honestly I'm a person who doesn't take any pressure of any kind, so I'm a very positive mindset की लड़की, तो yeah, so I am like ठीक हो जाएगा सब कुछ, and that's how I take out my whole day. And as soon as I speak to my parents and they're fine and healthy, I feel better, and which makes me work more towards my hygiene, my safety, and so that I don't fall sick, or so that I don't make others fall sick too. So in all, it's going. We're just going with the flow.
एंड एज एन एक्टर कोई प्रेशर है आप पर, क्योंकि यू आर भले ही यू नो कैरेक्टर पहले से मेकर्स के दिमाग में होगा, बट शो जो है वो एस्टैब्लिश हो चुका है, लोगों ने प्रतिज्ञा की जो अभी सीजन 2 में कास्ट आई है उनको देखना शुरू कर दिया. यू आर अ काइंड ऑफ न्यू एंट्री जो अब आएगा और अपनी यू नो पहचान, अपनी प्लेस बनाने की कोशिश करेगा. उस वजह से कभी कोई प्रेशर होता है?
Honestly, as people have seen my previous show or any other work, yes, and I think I have been a very confident girl from the very beginning. And I have worked earlier too, in the past too, I have worked with amazing actors with amazing backgrounds, with established names, and such confident people, who can easily overpower you. But I feel each one has an own space, an opportunity given. I think we have to take and make full use of that. And when I was offered Meera, I'm sure they have thought about something. That is why they offered me this.
Yeah.
And it was just कि दोनों तरफ से ही एक हाँ थी तुरंत. Yes, we would want to do this with you, and I was like, yes, I would want to be a part of this. So there is no kind of pressure, absolutely, because I have to make my own name now again after Nimki, because Meera is a new character and a new challenge to me. So I think the only pressure that I would feel that I'm going to be under is to establish Meera in everyone's minds after Nimki, because people still want to see me as Nimki on screen and they still demand for a sequel. And I think that is amazing and that's overwhelming, but at the same time it's a challenge for any actor who's been so famous in a particular role to go to another role or new role and try to do something different, and it's a big challenge if the audience accepts it. So that is the pressure. That's the only pressure I feel. But otherwise, at work, everyone's very warm, very welcoming, and we're having a lot of fun together. And I think maza aa raha hai because I'm shooting with a lot of different kind of people. So very good tuning. I think so far so good.
Yeah. जैसे आपने बोला मेकर्स की तरफ से भी और आपके तरफ से भी इंस्टेंटली हाँ था इस के लिए. So I want to know what prompted you to take up the role, because we know that season 1 में Pooja had such a strong character, and this season भी उनके नाम से आगे बढ़ रहा है because she was the lead last time also. तो as an actor वो security आपको कहाँ से आई कि if I play a part, it will be equally important in the show?
Yes, see, whenever it doesn't have to be always a lead role which establishes you as a good actor or establishes your role very important. Because there are projects where जहाँ पर आप इतनी भी मेहनत डालते हो कहीं ना कहीं वो रोल एस्टैब्लिश नहीं कर पाते हो. So for me, if you ask me, there is no kind of challenge at all where I thought I'll be under pressure, or there is already someone who's already given that importance in the show. But I knew I was very well briefed about what I'm going to do, and Meera is as important as right now the track of the others which is going on, because she is the one who's going to bring a lot of change in the whole story. And there is a whole reason that they've pulled me in, why there's going to be a twist, what is going to happen. So I think that is, एक अगर character एक पूरे show का dimension ही change करता है तो बहुत important role होता है. And as I said, it's not just an entry in the show, it's not just a new entry, it is a parallel lead role. So I think for me, as long as I am performing well, as long as I'm doing justice, as long as the makers are happy with whatever they had casted me for, I think I'm done. And definitely this is something which I never thought I'd be doing, because I've only done shows in lead so far. So definitely it is something different, but also for the fact I love the role, and secondly I always wanted to work with Rajan Shai sir. So I got an opportunity and I couldn't say no. And also it is a very strong role. It is something which clicks with me. So I kind of was very comfortable with the role and I said yes. And also, as I said, it is not another continuity character. So वो पता चल जाएगा बाद में when the story goes on and people keep watching it.
Lastly, before wrapping up, what would you like to say to your fans who have always supported you in your journey?
Yes, this whole thing, when I was not in television, I used to do a 9 to 5 job. So मैं सबके इंटरव्यूज देखती थी कि मैं फैंस को थैंक्स बोलना चाहूंगी, ये वो। तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता था ये क्यों बोलते हैं फैंस को थैंक्स, हमने क्या किया, हम सिर्फ टीवी देखते हैं। बट नाउ बीइंग ऑन टेलीविजन आई हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट it plays a very big role. I mean, our fans, our audience is a very big factor in our success, because अगर आपके शो नहीं देखे जाएंगे तो आपका शो नहीं चलेगा, आपको लोग अप्रिशिएट नहीं करेंगे, आपको अच्छा एक्टर नहीं बोलेंगे। एंड टुडे व्हाटएवर आई हैव गॉट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑडियंस, बिकॉज दे हैव लव्ड मी फ्रॉम माय फर्स्ट शो एंड दे हैव मेड मी अ गुड एक्टर। बिकॉज मुझे जितनी तारीफें आती हैं वो सुंदरता के लिए हर लड़की को तारीफ आती है, आफ्टर मेकअप, हेयर एंड कॉस्ट्यूम जो भी है। बट आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज गेट प्रेजेस फॉर बीइंग अ वेरी गुड परफॉर्मर, जिसकी वजह से मुझे बहुत खुशी होती थी कि हाँ, आई एम डूइंग गुड वर्क, आई एम नॉट जस्ट डूइंग typical daily soap stuff. So I think I would just want to say at before winding up that जो audience ने इतना प्यार दिया है and the support and the acceptance that they've given me in my first show, I would want them to do the same thing for my coming projects. And also I want them to know that I'm very grateful for the love that I get from them till today, for my first show, for my second show, and for the show that I'm doing right now. So thank you so much and keep supporting.
Thank you so much, Bhumika. It was great talking to you, and all the
Same
best for the show and all the best for your future.
Thank you so much. It was very good talking to you.
Same here. Take
Bye.
care. Bye bye.